Long before humans walked the Earth, our planet experienced disasters powerful enough to erase entire worlds. Millions of years before dinosaurs existed, life faced one of its greatest tests. The oceans were overflowing with life. Strange creatures ruled the seas, creating one of the most diverse ecosystems Earth had ever seen. But something was about to change everything. Earth entered a period of extreme cooling. Massive glaciers began forming, trapping huge amounts of water as ice, and the oceans began to disappear. For creatures that lived only in the oceans, this was devastating. Their homes became smaller, their food sources disappeared, and entire species began vanishing. This event became known as the 5% of marine species disappeared. One of Earth's greatest biological losses had begun. But extinction does not mean the end of all life. Some creatures survived. They adapted, and from survivors came new chapters of evolution. Over millions of years, Earth healed. New species emerged. Life found a way forward. Millions of years after Earth's first great extinction, life had returned. The oceans were once again thriving. But another silent killer was already beginning. This became known as the Age of Fishes. The oceans were filled with extraordinary creatures unlike today. Among them were Earth's most impressive ancient marine animals. But something invisible was happening. The oceans slowly began losing oxygen, and life started suffocating. Entire regions became underwater deserts. Where oxygen disappeared, so did life. Earth's greatest reef systems collapsed. Thousands of species suddenly lost their homes. The oceans became strangely quiet. Nearly 75% of all species disappeared. Earth had suffered another mass extinction, and still, life refused to surrender. The strongest were not always the biggest. The survivors adapted, and evolution began writing another chapter. The Devonian extinction teaches us something remarkable. When oceans lose oxygen, life pays the price. It happened once, it can happen again. But Earth's darkest day was still ahead. Next, the Permian extinction. The day nearly everything died. Before Earth's greatest extinction, the planet was a world unlike anything we know today. Life had spread across land and sea, but beneath the surface, Earth was about to change forever. The Permian world was filled with extraordinary creatures. Others would vanish forever. Then Earth opened its wounds. One of the largest volcanic events in history began. The planet entered a period of unimaginable change. The oceans suffered a devastating transformation. Marine ecosystems collapsed. Entire branches of life disappeared. This became known as the Great Dying. Nearly 90 to 96% of marine species disappeared. Life itself was pushed to the edge. But even after the greatest disaster Earth had ever seen, some life remained. Survival created the future.
From the ashes of destruction came a new chapter. A different world emerged. And eventually, the age of dinosaurs would begin.
The Permian extinction was Earth's darkest moment. But the planet was not finished. Next, another extinction would reshape the world again. Life had survived Earth's darkest chapter. The planet slowly healed, but another test was waiting. Dinosaurs were still small. They shared the Earth with many powerful rivals. No one could have guessed who would inherit the planet. Deep beneath the surface, the supercontinent began tearing apart, and the Earth awakened once again.
Millions of cubic kilometers of lava flooded the land. The sky darkened, and another extinction had begun. Temperatures changed. The air became toxic. Entire ecosystems collapsed. Nearly 80% of Earth's species disappeared. Many dominant reptiles vanished forever. The balance of life shifted once again when their rivals disappeared. Dinosaurs finally had their chance. The age of dinosaurs had truly begun. For millions of years, dinosaurs would rule the Earth. The planet had entered a completely new age.
The dinosaurs had finally inherited the Earth, but their greatest challenge was already racing through space. Next, the asteroid that changed everything.
For millions of years, dinosaurs had ruled the Earth. They conquered forests, plains, and coastlines. They seemed unstoppable, but their final day was approaching. Far beyond anything the dinosaurs could see, a mountain-sized asteroid was approaching. It was moving faster than anything alive could escape. Then the sky became brighter than anyone had ever seen. In seconds, Earth's history changed forever.
The asteroid struck with unimaginable force. Rock vaporized, shock waves raced across the planet, and the oceans rose against the land.
Debris blasted into space began falling back to Earth. The atmosphere heated. Wildfires spread across enormous regions, but the worst was still coming.
Dust and aerosols blocked the sunlight. Temperatures fell. Plants died. Then the food chains began collapsing.
About 3/4 of Earth's species disappeared. Every non-avian dinosaur lineage vanished. After more than 160 million years, their age was over. But life wasn't finished. Small survivors emerged from the darkness, and among them were mammals. Earth faces a different kind of extinction. Episode 6, happening right now. Earth has survived 5 great mass extinctions. Each one changed the future of life. But this time, the cause is different. One species changed the planet faster than anything before it. Humans built civilizations and transformed the world around them. Earth has survived 5 great mass extinctions. Each one changed the future of life. But this time, the cause is different. One species changed the planet faster than anything before it. Humans built civilizations and transformed the world around them. Across the planet, wild places began disappearing, and countless species lost the homes they depended on.
The oceans are changing. Coral reefs are disappearing, and marine ecosystems are under pressure.
Scientists warn that Earth may be entering its 6th mass extinction. This time, the threat comes from within our own species. Thousands of species have already disappeared. Some vanished silently. Others became warnings we ignored.
But extinction is not inevitable. Humanity still has a choice. We can become the cause or the solution.
Earth's history has always carried warnings. The past shows us what happens when life loses balance. Now the next chapter is being written. The greatest warning has been delivered. 5 times Earth changed because of catastrophe. This time, the future depends on us.
Subscribe on YouTube and TikTok, just for more.